If you are facing login problems on TikTok using Facebook, then simply follow these easy steps to fix the issue. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. First of all, ensure that your device has a stable internet connection because the weak or unstable connection may cause login issues. Now, go to the App Store in the iPhone and Google Play Store in Android, then search for the TikTok app. Scroll down, tap on the TikTok and tap update if an update is available. Ensure your TikTok is up to date because outdated versions may cause problems. Now after you do so, simply try clearing cache from the TikTok. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. So first of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Then inside the settings for Android, go to Apps, TikTok and Storage. But in iPhone, tap on the General option available there. Then tap on the iPhone Storage. Inside iPhone Storage, you will get to see a long list of apps available. Scroll down and tap on the TikTok. Then tap on the Upload and upload the TikTok app. Clear the cache to ensure smooth functioning. After clearing the cache, open TikTok and try logging in again.